Apple during its October 13 event launched 4 new iPhones. They are iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max. iPhone 12 and 12 Pro will made and available in India from October 13. The iPhone 12 Pro Max and 12 mini will be available after later, but company didn't announce the official date of iPhone 12 Pro Max and 12 mini. In this video I am going to share you that the specification video of iPhone 12 series. So before going to the video, if you are seeing our channel first time, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So first of all, let's talk about the specification of iPhone 12. iPhone 12 is coming with an 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with Dolby Vision and HDR10 support. This smartphone has the company's new powerful A14 Bionic chipset, and this smartphone is coming with a dual camera setup, 12 megapixel primary camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. If we look at the battery section of the smartphone, Apple didn't reveal the battery capacity of any iPhone in iPhone 12 series. The company removed the charger bricks from the retail box to help to reduce the e-waste. This smartphone has iOS 14, 64GB, 128GB, 256GB storage variants was coming to this smartphone. Next, let's talk about the specification of iPhone 12. This smartphone was coming with an 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support. This smartphone also there is a powerful Apple A14 Bionic chipset. Camera section is also same, 12 megapixel primary camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera is coming. There is an Apple A14 Bionic chipset, 64GB, 128GB, 256GB variants are coming to this smartphone. Next, let's talk about the iPhone 12 Pro. This smartphone has 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, same as iPhone 12 and A14 Bionic chipset. This smartphone has a triple camera setup. Back to iPhone 11 Pro, this time a LiDAR sensor has also added to the mix. 12 megapixel primary camera, 12 megapixel telephoto camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. iOS 14 was its software. There is an IP rating IP68 for water and dust resistant. The variants are 128GB, 256GB and 512GB. Next, let's talk about the top smartphone of iPhone 12 Pro Max. This smartphone was coming with an 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED with Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support. This smartphone has a powerful A14 Bionic chipset, a triple camera setup same as that smartphone, 12 megapixel primary camera sensor, 12 megapixel telephoto lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera along with a LiDAR sensor for depth mapping. This smartphone has iOS 14 latest software, IP rating IP68 for dust and water resistant. The variants of the smartphones is 128GB, 256GB and 512GB. Next, let's talk about the pricing of these iPhones. iPhone 12 mini is pricing with a 69,900 rupees. iPhone 12 was pricing with a 79,900 rupees. 12 Pro was pricing with 1,19,000 rupees and 12 Pro Max was pricing with 1,29,000. So this is the exact pricing of these smartphones. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more notified. So this is Bosking here. You are watching Mr. Unbosking. Let's meet in another video. Bye.